going on, guys? Louis Gaudinot, fight for the UFC. I'm here to open up the newest series, UFC Finest 2012. One lucky person is actually going to get a redemption card so they can get my mouthpiece that I wore when I was training the Ultimate Fighter. Let's go open up some packs.
So, yeah, each mini box you'll get 3 hits. So you'll get either three of the either autographs or
Nice.
relic cards. So whether it's fighter worn shirts or shorts, matte pieces, or the very elusive grill gear. Yeah. Open that one up.
It'd be funny if I got a grill gear.
Get
If I
your
won my own grill gear, I have to give it away on Twitter. Sweet. Open up my first pack. Ooh, Mark Munoz. Tough last fight. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is sweet. Nick Diaz. Fighter worn shirt. Oh no, it's a matte.
Matte, right?
It's the matte from a Nick Diaz fight. Very cool. It's nice.
Josh Koscheck, Matt. In this fight at UFC 143. And that's from
137. It's from when he fought BJ Penn, I think that was.
Yeah.
That's nice.
There you go. Chael Sonnen, rocking the mic. Here's a cool Finest Moment card. Czech Congo, highlighting his fight against Pat Barry. That amazing comeback that he had.
That was crazy. Remember watching that in the Tough House. We were going nuts.
One of the few things you're allowed to watch.
One of the few
over there.
things, yeah. They show us fights every once in a while.
Okay, here's a first-time signer. Strikeforce lightweight, KJ Nunes. Pretty cool card. Nice signature there.
Here we go. Fellow flyweight, Ian McCall. Future opponent one day, you never know. Take a picture of this, I'll tweet it to him.
Yeah, the Finest is the first time we got flyweights in. Here's another flyweight. His opponent from his last 2 fights, Demetrius Johnson.
Misha Tate. Fighter worn gear right here.
That's cool.
Sweet one.
Here's another cool shot. Jose Aldo running into the crowd
That's
after
a
his
nice
big
one.
win in Brazil.
Now this one's numbered.
Yep, to 88. So there's only 88 of the gold cards. Brian Bowles. We got the Bloodlines inserts back. Ben Henderson.
Another Jersey boy right here, Frankie Edgar. Finest moments. Edgar KO's Maynard at UFC 136. Took a shot right there, pretty amped after the knockout.
Dominic Cruz. Fighter worn gear.
Now this pack's pretty thick.
Yeah.
Means there's probably insert in there.
Got something good in there.
Alright, now what's this?
Ah, very cool. That is a very cool card.
Nice.
Open it up.
Parallel bloodlines. Let's see what we got here. Oh, signatures too.
And gear.
And gear. From Matt Hughes and Frankie Edgar. It's a nice one.
That is a very cool card.
And how many of those do you guys do?
There's only 10 of these. 10 of these made.
10 of those.
Yeah.
Of those 2 guys.
Yeah. This.
So that's gear right here, Randy Couture.
Here's There's a Misha Tate autograph. Bloodlines from a big Topps collector, Brian Ebersol. Australian flag in the background.
Oh, here we go.
There we go. Another good card.
Another good. This is a good one. You guys want to get your hands on that one when you get a chance. Here's a piece of the mat. Junior Dos Santos card from UFC on Fox 1. First fight on Fox. Big match right there. That's where he won the title. It's a good one right there.
All right, that was a lot of fun. We got a lot of cool cards.
A lot of cool cards, yeah.
Thanks for joining us and helping us open these up. We're going to give away some of these cards to our at Topps Card Twitter followers and those who like us on Facebook. So be sure to keep an eye on that for good giveaways.
Yeah, make sure you guys check it out. All the cards are cool. Got some mat pieces, got some shirt pieces, all new flyweights in this pack. So make sure you guys go pick it up. UFC's Finest.